We all wish we had a bit more space at home, right? But small doesn't mean cluttered. Today I'm sharing easy, practical ideas to maximize even the smallest corners of your home. From clever storage to stylish hacks, these tips will change your space. Also, if you watch the video to the very end, you might just get lucky today. We have a giveaway and you could be the winner. So let's get started. Many people often wonder how to make the most of the limited space that they have. Small space organization can be tricky sometimes. So today I'm going to share with you some very easy ideas that you can use in your home as well. Also, there's a beautiful giveaway in this video, so watch till the very end to know all about it. How do you hide ugly things at home? Well, I have these cleaning gloves with me which I use to clean the plant leaves, and I find them a bit ugly looking. So let me show you how to hide such things in small spaces. Like me, if you also have plants tucked inside big planters, then you can use that extra space to organize things that don't have a home yet. Things like gardening tools or even extra plant trays. And guess what? Only you would know they are hidden there. To the normal eyes, they won't even be visible. This is how some things can be hidden without anyone even knowing. When I said hiding things, I meant it. Let me show you just how. If you also spend a lot of your time in the living room, then I'm sure you have many things that you find lying on the coffee table or on the sofa, and eventually they only add to the clutter of that space. My top secret way to hide such things is to dump all of them in a basket and then tuck the basket under the sofa. Yes, it's super easy to grab from there, but still hidden from everyone. Sometimes we need to make the most of what we have. With the air fryer, I had to get some liners and oil brush too. The best way I found was to store these things inside the air fryer itself. I take them out, use one liner, and then after using the air fryer, I place the rest of them back when the job is done. This also saves my effort of looking for the liners every time I need them. No one knows our homes better than us, right? And we all have such corners that are there but don't get used up properly. Basically, I have this section under the table which was left unused, but now with the help of a tray like this, I'm able to organize all smaller things like extra bills, clips, receipts, post-it notes over here. If you place these things directly, then perhaps finding everything will be a challenge. So making use of such trays always helps to pull them out. If your home has such sections, then I hope this idea inspires you to make the most of that space by organizing it in a similar way. Trying to save space doesn't mean you have to compromise on the decor part. Small houses can look pretty too. I usually like to use baskets but with lids, such as these, to put whatever I want inside. And then I can easily layer them. Basically, the idea is to stack one basket on top of the other, and the reason we are doing this is because first, it looks aesthetically pleasing, and secondly, with two baskets instead of one, we have way more functional storage available right here. I've done the same thing inside the bedroom as well, where I organized a lot of chargers and wires that I had lying all over the place. I simply tucked them into these two baskets and then put one on top of the other and decorated the area along with a plant on the side. I had a small ceramic box for so long now, and the only way I was using it was in the kitchen. So it's important that we get creative sometimes. For example, I'm storing all of my vitamins and supplements over here in this box that we need from time to time. This way, these things are right in front of me but still hidden in a subtle way. Use things that you already have at home and turn them into pretty storage ideas. We all want to maximize our storage, right? Today I'm going to share with you some easy ideas that you can also implement in your home. We often need something to sit on in the entryway area so that we can change our shoes every now and then, especially when leaving the home or coming back from someplace. Before, I had a simple stool in this corner, but I switched that up for a storage bench just like this one. From the inside, it has a lot of space that I can store things in. Consider investing in furniture items that double up for storage, and you will be able to maximize the limited space that you have in your home. In this corner, instead of placing one plant on the floor, I've made use of a 3-tier shelf to help me decorate, and at the same time now I can add more plants. Similarly, in the kitchen area, inside your cabinets, there's something new that you can do. So consider adding cup organizers, things we can add a visual appeal to the way everything looks even inside the cabinet. Hang your cups too to make the most of the vertical space. Like I said, layering is the key here. Just like before, even for the washroom, I've added a thin but a tall rack to make the most of the corner space. Now all the extra bottles are neatly organized after placing them on the shelf, and this is tucked so nicely in the corner that it is not even visible from some of the angles. Sometimes organizing things differently is what we need to do. I've stuck all my knives, measuring spoons and scissors on this magnetic knife holder instead of placing them in the drawer. Now they are way more accessible and easy to find. It's important that we are smart about how we utilize the limited space that we have in such small homes. For instance, I have some baking supplies with me like baking powder, baking soda, chocolate and other such things, but I don't need them on a daily basis, which is why I made a separate baking basket that now sits on the top shelf of my kitchen cabinets, and now easily I can pull out everything I need in a single go. Now that we are on the topic of kitchen, how can we forget the fridge? If you also have a small fridge space, then consider using transparent organizers. These pull-out trays are very helpful in storing miscellaneous items, and these can be tucked on the bottom shelf of the fridge or any corner really. Be it food color, extra sachets, smaller packs of ketchup, all such things can go in a simple tray like this and you'll be sorted. I hope you enjoyed watching all those tips and tricks to maximize spaces in your homes. And with that, let's dive into the giveaway question. What was the color of the storage bench I hid my things in? And also, don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket YouTube channel for more such amazing ideas. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful time.